Want to speak real Thai from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ThaiPod101.com.
Hi everybody, Jess here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I'll answer some of your most common Thai questions. The question for this lesson is, how do I use Khra and Khra? You might have heard these terms when you first learned how to say hello in Thai. สวัสดีค่ะ and สวัสดีครับ But what are the differences between Khra and Khra? In the example I gave, the two forms have the same meaning but use different endings. Today, you'll know how to use them correctly. To start, let me explain the basic meaning of these two words. Khra and Khra are particles commonly used among Thai people in order to make the sentences more polite and formal. This includes when you talk to the elderly, to someone you respect, or to someone you don't know very well. Using Khra and Khra convey the message in a softer and more polite manner. So how do I use them? Well, the basic rules of these two particles are very simple and easy to understand. These two particles are gender specific, male and female. This means if you are male, you end your sentences with Khra. If you are female, you end your sentences with Khra. Simple and easy, right? Now the main question, in what types of sentences do I use them? The answer is, you can use these particles in most sentences in Thai. For example, you can use it to ask for requests such as ห้องน้ำอยู่ไหนคะ Where is the toilet? For female, or ห้องน้ำอยู่ไหนครับ for male. You can use it when answering questions such as อยู่ตรงนี้ครับ It is over here. In this case, the person who answered the question is male. If the responder is female, she'll reply อยู่ตรงนี้ค่ะ It's over here. We can see that despite different endings, the meaning of the sentences stay the same. Also, you can use Khra and Khra to mean yes when you answer yes or no questions. For example, somebody asks you ใช่คุณดีหรือเปล่าคะ Is this D? The full sentence would be ใช่ค่ะ Yes, this is D. But you can say only Khra or Khra and the person will know you mean yes. This only works when you want to say yes. If you want to give a negative response, you simply have to add ไม่ใช่ค่ะ or ไม่ใช่ครับ Both mean no, it's not. Pretty interesting, right? If you have any more questions, please leave a comment below. Bye. สวัสดีค่ะ